Tip top to the tip of the blank. It's really straightforward. Let's go ahead and separate the sections of the rod. This will make it a lot easier to handle. Take the little bag of guides out of the kit. I like to pour them onto a plate so that I can see what I have, and also so the pieces can't get lost. I'm very careful to make sure that bag is empty. We've got running guides, stripping guides, winding check, hook keeper. What we really need looking for at this point is the tip top, and here it is. It's a loop with like a cylinder on it that's going to slip right over the tip of the rod. Take the tip section of the blank by the thin end and see how that tip top slips right on there. It should be just a little loose, and we're eventually going to want to line it up with the mark for the spine. If you want to put a piece of tape there, you can, but you have an idea of how it's going to look. The tip top is held onto the blank with adhesive. Once the adhesive is prepared, as you see here, you're ready to put it all together. Apply the tip top to the tip of your rod blank. And slide on the tip top to the section of the blank. And make sure that it's lined up with the spine or opposite of the spine, depending on the rod that you're making. Now we're going to set this aside and wait for it to cure. Great job. Now let's move to the other end of the blank while the tip top dries.